The Khasi Autonomous District Council has constituted a Public Accounts Committee (PAC) to address observations raised by the Comptroller and Auditor General regarding council activities. This decision was approved during the KHADC's winter session held on the 19th and 20th of December 2024. Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Pinyat Singh Aim, announced the development today, stating that the committee will be chaired by Leader of the Opposition, Tito Starwell Khan. Members of the committee include MDCs Bindu M. Lanong, Lambor Malngyang, Martel N. Mukim, PNCM and Bajop Pangrop, with the Secretary of the Legislative Department serving as Member Secretary. The PAC will oversee recruitment processes and the implementation of developmental schemes within areas under the KHADC's jurisdiction, ensuring accountability and transparency in the Council's operations.
Nakalian jongka Executive Committee jongka KHDC hadin ba nilayo ban place ya ka CAG report officially jong usnam arja khatnyo khatpra khat khandai hakani ka dorbar telang ka badang syudap haka khat khandai terik jong no pra kaladon ru ki observation ni kijing UE jong ka CAG halor ki kat tu kat ni kimat ki ba kongsan hakabede bat kajing turekam jong ka KHDC hakis nam ladam kawai na kata ka observation kalong habede ka recruitment lane kajing tungkam tungjam hapo jong ka council de bat kiwei ru ki benta jong ka jing don ki observation kabaar kade habede kajing pentrekam lane kata ke implementation ni ki development scheme daki members lane daki nuki beneficiaries haki constituency ba pair ba ki babon hi kimdan ki UC te halor kini ki artali ki mat ngashqa ban pentip ya feeling ba kini kalat patai khubor ba nakaliang jong ka house kabla penkut lane nakaliang ka ying dorbar district council kabla syong haka dorbar telang haka khandai terik ban arpho terik kala penkut ya kini ka dorbar haka arpho terik jongno apra da kaba yatai halor kani ka CAG report but kiba bon ki members khamtam nakaliang leader of opposition ilawan ra kajing ajing mut bandon no daka public accounts committee omdei tangkata ngibut ru ya kajing ajing mut jongka observation jongka CAG tenemar takadau ya kani claim constitute daka executive committee but la constitute ya ka public accounts committee PAC jongka district council daka yen hibar khawe but ha ka tugas ngi lajit ye ba TW Khan leader of opposition belong kum chairman iba BM Lanong MDC ibelong member Pak Lambor Malngyang belong MDC long member iba Martel and Mukim ibelong MDC long member Pak PNCM belong MDC long member Pak Bajop Penggroup belong MDC long member but ibelong member secretary jongka ni ka public accounts committee jongka KHDC inday is secretary jongka legislative nama bakanam don ka kajing long shiliang de la jet ya is secretary jongka legislative department bandai ko member secretary jong kanika PAC but ya kanika copy la pharu sha shapo CA shapo AG office AG namanta ka jing tip